Good morning, children. Let's continue chapter 6 Asia Physiography. Physical features of Asia are the northern lowlands, central highlands, southern plateau, great river basins, island groups. In this map, I will tell you about the location of northern lowlands. Northern lowlands, they extend from Ural Mountains, which are located here. These are the Ural Mountains. And these lowlands, they extend from Ural Mountains towards the Bering Strait. As you can see, they are broad in the western side and narrow towards the eastern side. These plains are formed by three main rivers, mainly River Ob, then River Yenisei and River Lena. These lowlands have Arctic Ocean in the north and the central highlands towards the south side. This area of northern lowland is known as Siberian Plain. Here is Aral Sea and the plains here known as the Turan Plains. These Turan Plains are inland plains, means that rivers of this plain do not meet with the ocean. So this is the area of inland drainage system. Now here is the world's oldest and the deepest lake, Lake Baikal. Children, this map is showing you the central highlands of Asia. Asia has significant number of mountain ranges. Most of the mountain range they radiates from this nodal point known as the Pamir Knot. So the mountains which radiates from Pamir Knot are the Himalayas. Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range. It separates India from the rest of Asia, and Himalayas are the home of many perennial rivers and also the home of many high peaks. Like Mount Everest, the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters and Kanchenjunga is about the 8,586 meters above the sea level. Next is Hindu Kush. Hindu Kush runs towards the western side towards the Pakistan, and it separates the Pamir mountains close to the point where the borders of China, Kashmir and Afghanistan meet here. Finally, it merges into the Maya range in the western Afghanistan. Mount Tiruchni is the highest peak in this mountain range. Then Karakoram range is a large mountain range spanning the border of Pakistan, India, China and extending up to Afghanistan and Tajikistan. It is located in the region of Gilgit, Baltistan, that is Pakistan, Ladakh and southern Xinjiang, that is China, and even reaches the Bakhan corridor. The Karakoram range is home to four most closely located peaks that are over 8,000 meters of height, and the peaks are K2, that is also known as Gordon Austin, then the Garsaram Brahm 1, Broad Peak, Garsaram Brahm 2nd. Then children, Kunlun Mountains are one of the longest mountain chain in Asia, extending across western China and Tibetan Plateau. So Kunlun Mountain, along with the Himalayas, enclosing the highest plateau of the world, which is also known as the roof of the world. Then the highest peak of this range that is Kunlun range, is Kunlun Goddess. Height is 7,167 meters above the sea level. Tian Shan Mountains is a large mountain system located in Central Asia. It is positioned to the north and west of the Taklamakan Desert. Taklamakan is here, near the border region of the Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan and western China. The highest peak of this mountain range is Victory Peak at 7,439 meters. Then Altai Mountains range is situated in the East Central Asia near southern Siberia. It is at this place that Russia, China, Mongolia and Kazakhstan come together. River Irtis, that is the river of tributary of River Ob and River Ob, they originate from this mountain range. The highest peak of this mountain range is Belukhua Mountain. Height is 4,506 meters above the sea level. Then Zagros Mountains is the largest mountain range in Iran, Iraq, spanning the whole length of western and the southwestern Iranian plateau. This is Iranian plateau which is enclosed between the Elbrus mountain and the Zagros mountain. The highest peak is Mount Dana at 4,409 meters. Pamir Mountains, an ocean of white and Blue Mountains, forms a mountain range of Pamir, vast valley of 7,000 meters and higher lie to the midst of the mountain peak. The Pamir mountain lie at the junction of the Himalayas with the Tian Shan, Karakoram and Kunlun and Hindu Kush range. The highest point is the Ismail Somoni peak, which is at an elevation of 7,495 meters. The central highlands are all characterized by intermountain plateau. The word intermountain means between the mountains. So plateaus which are situated between the mountains are known as intermountain plateaus, like Iranian plateau, Tibetan plateau, then plateau of Anatolia between the Pontic and Taurus mountain. These are the intermountain plateaus of the world. children, the island groups. The largest island group of the world is Malaya Archipelago, which includes the islands of Indonesia as well as the Philippines Islands. This is Sumatra Island of Indonesia, Java Island, Borneo Island, Sulawesi Island. These are the main islands of Indonesia. Then children, this group of islands is the Philippines Island, then Lakshadweeps and Andaman Nicobar Island. These are the parts of India. Lakshadweeps are in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Andaman Nicobars are in the Bay of Bengal. Then children, Kuril Island. They lie to the south of Kamchatka Peninsula towards the Hokkaido island of Japan, and they enclose the Sea of Oka and extend an area of about 15,600 square kilometers. Then Japanese archipelago, which includes four main islands: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu, and they are on the western side of the Pacific Ocean. Now children, deserts. The Arabian Desert is a vast desert of the wilderness stretching from Yemen to the Persian Gulf and Oman to the Jordan. It is the largest desert in Asia, and uh, it's at occupying about 2.33 million square kilometers and most of the Arabian Peninsula. Gobi Desert is the second largest desert in Asia, covering about 1.295 million square kilometers, extending from northern China into Mongolia. The Gobi Desert receives an average of 7 inches of rainfall each year. Then children, Thar Desert, which is in both Pakistan as well as in India. The Thar Desert is Asia's only subtropical desert, primarily occupying the Indian states of Rajasthan. The Thar Desert receives 20 inches of rain per year, primarily during the monsoon period from July to September, and most crops are grown during this period. Then Taklamakan Desert, which lie between the Tian Shan Range and Kulnun Mountain Range, extend over 3,37,000 square kilometer of area, composed primarily of shifting crescent sand dunes. Then children, water bodies. The first water body is Caspian Sea. It is located in the Western Asia on the eastern edge of Europe. Oil and natural gas production platforms are constructed almost all along the edge of sea. All the fresh water flows into the sea by Volga River and Ural River, but this sea is salty. has salty water. Then Lake Baikal. It is the oldest, deepest and freshwater lake on the planet. Lake Baikal is about 6 to 6 kilometers in length. Then Aral Sea is located in the countries of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, just to the east of the Caspian Sea. Unfortunately, the Aral Sea is disappearing and is currently found almost totally polluted by the fertilizers, runoff and weapons testing residue that were left by the former Soviet Union scientific experiments as well as by the careless industrial projects. Now children, questionnaire for you. Name the oldest and the deepest lake in the world, which is the largest plateau in the southern India, which is the largest group of islands in the world, name Asia's only subtropical desert, through which country does the Mekong River pass, name the lowlands formed by River Ogue, River Yenisei and River Lena. We will discuss these answers. Thank you children. Stay safe at home